Here's a wee basic, straightforward tutorial of how to play Shotgun by George Ezra. There's only one little tricky bit in it, and you don't have to. I'll give you the chords first, relative to the capo on the 5th fret. C, F, well, F major 7. Rather than playing a bar chord, this is more for beginners. A minor and G, and that's all the chords for the song. As I say, the only little tricky bit when you're singing the main chorus, I'll be riding shotgun. There's a little strum slap where when you're strumming, so rather than going like, you're strumming it a little bit, yeah, but you're muting it with the palm of your hand here. So it's like C, F, A minor, G. It's all just down strums. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That's it. But the main song starts off with a C, and it's all single strums. That's the way I do it. Hopefully it helps you, and hopefully it's as straightforward as possible. Homegrown alligators, see you later, gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. So that went from C, F, A minor, and G. And that's the way it goes throughout the song. C, alligator, F, gotta hit the A minor, gotta hit the G. The C changed the atmosphere, F the picture, unfamiliar, A minor, I can get used to G. And C flies by in the F and the green, stick an A minor, and you see what I mean. And that's it through the whole song. C, F, A minor, and G. And the only tricky little bit is this strum slap. Just take your time, practice, and you'll get there. Be patient. Everybody has to be patient. That's how you get there. So good luck, and let me know how you get on. And if there's any questions, if I can try and help you out with it in any other way, please don't be scared to get in touch. And take care and good luck.